How to make your own playlist on Audiomack. So let's get started. Open the app and then tap here, My Library. Then tap on Playlist. As you can see, we don't have playlist here. So how to create a new one? Tap Discovery. And then choose any song and tap on these three dots. Then just simply add to playlist. And now we are going to create a new playlist. I'm gonna name it Playlist. Tap Create. Then go back again, and tap My Library, Playlist, and now you can see your playlist here. Okay, so what you can do with the playlist, click on these three dots. You can share this playlist. So if you click copy link, you will have this special link to your playlist and you can send it someone. And I'm going to show you how to delete playlists. So click on these three dots, go all the way down, tap edit playlist, and you can delete playlist here. And this is how can you create and delete and share your playlist on Audiomack. Thank you for watching the video. Hit the like button, subscribe, and see you one click later.